Hey everybody, it's Alan from Diabolical Inc and we're at it again. We listen to people talk about how they use their Jeep. You know, we've got our full Slipstream enclosure. It's 26 parts, you know, from all the JKUs all the way up through all the JLUs. Well, we've kind of gone and did a reversal of a simplistic enclosure that is another option for you. It's called the Ridgeback. This is the JLU no subwoofer Ridgeback. It has a folding, removable top and a removable center wall panel. So the center wall panel is one piece. It's two panels that are hinged together, and it's all held in place with spin knobs to make it simple and easy to use for every day. So check out the JLU Ridgeback at diabolicalinc.com.